Did you know extreme sports athletes are more likely to die than soldiers in combat? X Games competitors face a death rate of 4.62 per 100,000 participants. That's higher than active military personnel at 2.9 per 100,000. Base jumping has the worst odds at 1 in 2,300 chance of death. Big wave surfing sits at 1 in 15,000. Even motocross carries a 1 in 100,000 risk. Compare that to football at just 1 in 1 million. The X Games have seen tragic losses like Caleb Moore's fatal snowmobile crash in 2013 and Sarah Burke's half-pipe accident. ESPN now requires enhanced safety protocols because of these deaths. Here's the crazy part. Most X Games athletes earn under $30,000 annually despite these insane risks. A gold medal pays $50,000, but health insurance won't even cover extreme sports injuries. These mortality rates exceed dangerous jobs like logging and commercial aviation. So why do they keep competing? The rush of defying death apparently outweighs the statistics that prove they're playing the ultimate game of chance.